The cryptocurrency market and the entire blockchain industry are evolving at an unprecedented speed, and so are the dynamics and trends we were hitherto used to. Although it is on record and a historical fact that every 4 years there is a bull market that returns insane gains and profits to investors and traders alike who are well positioned, equipped with the right information, and have a good understanding of the crypto market. These gains could range from as low as 10x to as much as 1000x for traders and investors with good entry and exit strategies. This video will review what a supercycle is and why altcoins could return insane gains. Before we continue, we would like to make a few disclaimers. Nothing we say in this video should be considered financial advice, as our videos are solely for educational and informational purposes. At this point, we welcome you back to the CoinFpro channel, where we discuss and educate you on everything finance and investing. As already mentioned, we're going to be talking about why altcoins are about to go absolutely insane. There's been a lot of talk about a potential super cycle in the cryptocurrency market, and we're going to break it down for you. First off, let's talk about what exactly an altcoin is. Altcoins are simply any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. And while Bitcoin has always been the dominant force in the crypto market, altcoins have been gaining more and more attention and traction lately. So why are altcoins about to go crazy? Well, there are a few factors at play here. First, we have the increasing adoption and use cases for various altcoins. Projects like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana are gaining traction and are being used for real-world applications. Additionally, we're seeing a surge in interest from institutional investors who are starting to diversify their crypto portfolios beyond just Bitcoin. This influx of capital into altcoins is only going to drive up their prices even further. So what's this super cycle everyone is talking about? Essentially, the idea is that we are on the cusp of a massive, sustained bull run in the cryptocurrency market. With all of these factors aligning, it's not hard to see why people are so bullish on altcoins right now. While Bitcoin has been enjoying widespread recognition and acceptance, altcoins often struggle to gain the same level of popularity. One of the main challenges faced by altcoins is the lack of brand recognition. Bitcoin has become a household name, with even non-crypto enthusiasts being familiar with it. On the other hand, altcoins often struggle to differentiate themselves and establish a strong brand identity that sets them apart from the competition. Another challenge is the perceived risk and volatility associated with altcoins. Many potential investors view altcoins as riskier investments compared to Bitcoin, which has a more established track record. This perception can make it difficult for altcoins to attract new investors and users. Additionally, the sheer number of altcoins available in the market today can be overwhelming for newcomers. With new altcoins constantly being introduced, it can be challenging for users to navigate and make informed decisions about which ones to invest in or use for transactions. Regulatory uncertainty is also a significant challenge for altcoins. While Bitcoin has started to gain regulatory clarity in some jurisdictions, altcoins often operate in a legal grey area, which can deter potential users and investors. Overall, altcoins face a variety of challenges in gaining mainstream adoption and recognition compared to Bitcoin. While some altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and a few others have managed to overcome these obstacles and carve out their own niche, the road to widespread acceptance remains an uphill battle. It is a historical fact, as earlier mentioned, that every 4 years there is a bull market that returns insane gains and profits to investors and traders alike who are well positioned and equipped with the right information and have a good understanding of the crypto market. These gains, as already stated, could range from as low as 10x to as much as 1000x for traders and investors with good entry and exit strategies. Altcoins development began majorly in 2015 with the invention of Ethereum, a second generation programmable blockchain led by Vitalik Buterin and a group of other developers. The Ethereum blockchain is credited with making popular the use of smart contracts for token developments. The years that followed saw the proliferation of several altcoins and other public blockchains alike. At the time of putting together the script for this video, CoinGecko had listed on its website over 13,000 coins and tokens. It is common sense that a large percentage of these projects will never see the light of day or be successful, talk less of making you rich. Several altcoins in the last bull cycle have completely lost their value and gone under, resulting in huge losses to investors and project developers alike. Hence the need for you to do your own research to make sure you invest in only projects that are credible, authentic, and have the potential for life-changing returns. There is no denying the fact that a person who is equipped with the right fundamental and in some cases technical analysis and holds a position in a good project at this time is in for insane gains and returns in this cycle. This current cycle is termed a supercycle by many crypto enthusiasts and investors because in many instances it is different from the previous ones, being that this is the first time in history that BTC got to its previous all-time high before the Bitcoin halving. It is also the first time investors will have exposure to crypto using instruments other than the core centralized crypto exchanges and decentralized applications like MetaMask and a few others. For the first time, many investors are gaining exposure to crypto through ETFs, following the approval of several ETFs by the Security and Exchange Commission of the US. The implication of this is that some individuals and organizations who wanted some level of regulatory clarity by the government and who could not grapple with setting up accounts with exchanges or managing their portfolios can now do so through ETFs. Just to give you an idea of how big this is, CoinDesk reported that in February the ETFs saw a net inflow of about $125 million daily. This is truly very huge because as the supply of Bitcoin reduces by half in a matter of days and the demand on the other hand stays constant at the current levels, then it is only a matter of time before its price begins to make new highs. As the prices begin to rise and the demand increases, the prices will go even higher. Once BTC reaches its peak for the cycle, the altcoin season will set in as the gains made from some of the large cap coins begin to flow into altcoins, resulting in insane upside. This scenario repeats every 4 years since the creation of Bitcoin, and this year will be huge, as already stated. Once again, I would like to reiterate that you can make life-changing and insane gains in the coming bull run. All you need to do is to position and equip yourself with the right information by doing your own research and having a good understanding of the crypto market. These gains could change your life forever. Ensure to have a strategy for your exit as the gains remain unrealized until the money is in your bank. We would like to reiterate that we don't give financial advice and everything said in this video is for educational and information purposes only. We encourage you to share your thoughts on altcoins with us and subscribe to our channels for more videos and updates on cryptocurrencies, finance and investing, and other events related to the blockchain industry and investing in general.